Hello everyone, welcome back to the GV Reddy's automation world. I think as I informed you earlier, this is the first day, right? 30-day challenge, right? We thought to have a 30-day Java automation challenge, right? This is the first day. We will start with right basic, right simple questions, right? Not initial day onwards. We will not start any, right? Right. We will start with the simple questions from day one. These are all whatever I have prepared. These 30 days are right easy questions, right? Somewhat easy to moderate. Right. If you are feel these are all right after right day one, day two, after 5 days, if you feel these are all very simple questions, maybe if you thought right these are all I have prepared, right I kept in your mind that very basic programmer to manual right members also interested to show their interest and basic programmers, and then right if the more people are whoever here participating are right they want to comment, if they comments we require a somewhat moderate questions, right I will parallelly I will start one more with moderate questions if I get more comments, right? If this is I thought this is fine, right we'll start it, right how the right people will right take it and join it, right we will start right I will also start parallelly, right we will discuss, I will write the you also parallelly write the code, right whenever we will start the timer, right just start from our side also every day, right 2 o'clock, right every day 2 p.m will start the right will start this video, right every day one program, right you parallelly write down and comment your question and answer, right your answer paste it, that's it, right right we will see, don't copy paste it, right just don't copy paste it. These are all very basic questions only, just try it whatever it may. Some people will get answer, some people will not able to solve it, that is fine, we will learn, right we will learn, right don't think right if it is a correct code or wrong code, whatever you have written just post it. If it is not a correct answer, right whoever knowledge they will correct it, right here we will not right fight anything, right just we will learn the concepts, we will improve our coding thinking knowledge and coding knowledge, right we will correct it, right mostly, right I will also give the solution, maybe you may get a better solution than me, right we can right by end of the day I will check all the answers which one is the best one, right in the next class I will right tell that maybe what I'm thinking is best answer, we will take it one best answer, and right we will follow that, right in interviews if we give the best answers they will like it, right we can write one program in multiple ways, but which one is best one, right which one is the best one, we have to take that one, we have to learn right finally, right that's when I think introduction part is right a lot of time. We will start day one program is program to check if a given number is even or odd, right day one program is given number is even, right we have to take the one input from the console, right don't hard code it, right don't hard code it in the program, take the input from the console and verify it whether it is a even number or odd number. If it is a even number just print it, it is a even number, or if it is a odd you can print it as a odd number, right simple program, right don't copy paste, try yourself in the Eclipse or any editor you are comfortable, just paste the answer, right just participate in the right day every day 2 p.m it will start, just participate, right if you are unable to right somewhat busy or with just after that also just try yourself and paste the answer in the comment section, right thanks for all your support, right we will just try already you may started I think, just comment in the comment section who are right started parallelly with me, right? Just comment in the comment section I am in, right? Whoever I am in, right? Whoever later also they can write the code and post it, right? We'll see the best answer from who will give the best answer, right? Right, I will also start it. You already started. Just right, take it will take within a 1 to 2 minutes. That's it, right? Just take it. Okay, try everyone and paste your answers. Right, whoever started parallelly with me. Right, please comment in the comment section I am in. Right, just I think everyone done. Let me explain what I am doing. Right, I am using the scanner class to take the input from the right console. Right, scanner object is equal no scanner. It is used to take the input from the console class. Right, we have to pass in the scanner constructor system.in. That it will take the input from the console. Then please enter number. Right, just I am giving so that in the console it will print. Then how to take sc dot next integer. We can take the integer. Right, we can store it. Right, some number. Okay, number. If I want to verify whether number is even or odd, simple thing. What we have to do? We can write one if condition. Right, one if condition number percentile. Right, number percentile 2. If we divide, right, the remainder is 2. If we after dividing, if you want to verify remainder, we use the percentage. If remainder is 0, after dividing number with 2, remainder is 0, then we consider it as a right even number, right, even number. Right, just system.out.println. Right, what we will do? Okay, number is given number is, so just I will print that number also. Given number is right even number. Then else block, simply else block. What I can do is else odd number, right? Else odd number, right? Simple program. Right, then here see warnings are coming. If you want to do the best practices, this is the scanner class. Right, scanner class we have to close it. We can use either right try with catch finally we can close, but we have a right future in the Java, right, try with resource statement. Right, just right you can here in the Eclipse it will show right try with resource inside a try. Right, we have to give the bracket inside a bracket. Right, we can give so that what is the advantage of it? It will close automatically. Once it execution done, it will close scanner class object automatically. Otherwise what you have to do? Try catch finally. Right, finally we have to close the scanner object. Instead of that, try with the resource statement. Right, try with, this is called try with resource. It will close scanner automatically. Right, simply will execute. Right, what is the number? 10. Suppose I am entering, okay, given number is even number. Right, if I right click and run as, suppose I am giving 13. Right, it is odd number. Right, like this we can write it. If you want to write it, there is a, in Java, there is a one more thing we have. There is a one more thing with a single line we can write it. Right, with a single line. What is that concept? Please, anyone will see who will write with that one. Right, everyone, right, please write your best approaches, right, whatever approach you know, just write down and comment in the comment section, right. Right, in next class starting we will see, right, if anyone is commented that approach, I will right announce that who, right, commented that, right, otherwise I will explain that, right, with a single line how you will write this condition, how you will change it to single line, right. Please post everyone, I think everyone is done with their coding, right, please done. Whoever not get a time to participate, please write the program and paste in the comment section, right. Please every day 2 p.m. we will start this challenge, right. Please participate everyone, right. Please subscribe to the channel if anyone not yet subscribed, enable notification, right, so that you will get notified every day 2 p.m. right. Share it to your friends also. Thanks for watching. Thank you.